Well, we are tracking the vaccine also here on Fox 12 as more people roll up their sleeves. Another local university has decided it will require students and staff to get their shot before classes begin in the fall.
The University of Portland made their announcement today. Fox 12's Drew Marine spoke with students about this decision. Drew, how are they feeling about this?
Yeah, the university says it wasn't an easy decision, but says requiring COVID vaccines is the best way to keep everybody safe on campus. Most students I spoke with today say they were on board, but some say it should be left up to each student to decide. By fall 2021, the University of Portland hopes to return to a normal school year, expecting to welcome 4,000 plus students back to campus. A big jump from the 800 students they welcomed back this spring.
We're optimistic that we will have the usual enrollment here at the University of Portland.
But before the fall semester, they're going to require students, faculty, and staff to have their COVID-19 vaccine.
We're anticipating 80% of our classes that will be in person. In order for you to participate in those classes being available, then you will need to be vaccinated. This was not an easy decision. This was not a simple decision, but it was a strategic decision for the health and safety of our faculty, staff, and students.
There can be exceptions to this requirement. Michael Llewellyn, a spokesperson for the university, says students can request religious or medical exemption forms through their health and counseling center.
Someone needing a special exemption application could absolutely request that, and we will look at those on a case-by-case basis in terms of whether or not an exemption will be granted.
Anson Wong is a freshman at the University of Portland and has already gotten his first dose. He doesn't think the university should require COVID vaccines.
I think it should be the student's choice whether to choose whether they want the vaccine or not.
But other students, like Chase Price, a junior, say they would feel safer coming back to campus next year knowing it's required.
To be honest, I'm kind of for it. I understand that people are kind of weary about it because it's new, it's a new vaccine, stuff like that. But I completely agree with the school on this instance.
Staff will have until August 1st to submit their proof of vaccination, and students will have until September 1st. Even with vaccines, the university says in the fall they will still require precautions like social distancing and masking. Live in Southeast Portland, Drew Marine.